How to change subtitle size on Netflix. So let's get started. First, what we need to do is click on your profile picture. Then I'm gonna click on these three horizontal lines in the corner. And next, manage profiles. I'm gonna choose my profile. And here we can see subtitle appearance. So click on it. And here we can change the size. Also, we can change the color. If you want to bring it back, just simply click on reset to default. And here we go, and click save. So this is how can you do it on your mobile device. And if you want to do it on your desktop, I'm going to show you how. So first, I'm going to choose my profile. And then I'm going to click on my profile picture, go account. Here, you just scroll down and you will see edit settings. Click on it. And then I'm gonna click on subtitle appearance again. And here we can simply change. If you want to bring it back, again, you can click on reset to default and click save. Thank you for watching. And as always, have a great week. See you later.